In this video, I'm gonna be showing you my exact strategy, how I raise small accounts to big amounts within short space of time. Without wasting much time, I've opened Step Index 500. I like this pair because of its volatility, so I'm already setting up my trend line. The strategy is not hard at all, it's very simple, but if you complicate it, you will manage to blow your account, and if you ignore the simplest of details, you will definitely blow your account. So over here, I've identified that my trend, I've identified the type of trend it was, and I have placed my suitable trend line in the bottom and in the top. And without taking much time, it had already crossed the top trend line, surpassing it. The proper trading terms we use is it has broken the trend line, the top trend line. So this one was a bullish trend. Okay, that is what I have identified before anything had happened. It was a bullish trend, so it was bound to continue being bullish. So that is the first one. The second one, the limits for my trend lines. When you draw your trend line, you set it's like you're setting a limit for the candle movement. So for example, you see that the movement of the candles will be in a zigzag pattern within the trend. So that will identify for you where the market will try to reverse, the market where it will break, the market where it has liquidation as well. So for this one, it was very simple. For this one, it was very easy to do. And taking into consideration that you also have taken to notice the account size you have, there are some trades that you can't go for again, but it's not only the case that you can't do that, but most of the time when you identify only sharp entries, you can go full again. So here the goal was to raise the account, so obviously I was playing on high volatile pairs so that I could raise the account much quicker. So Step Index is much volatile, that's why I like it. Only 10 cents, it will double your account. So from $15 we are in $30, so that is very good for us. This will mean that on the next trade we're going to leverage a bit higher, so that is good for our trading. And on this part we are in Jump 25. Jump 25 is not highly volatile as much as Step, but it will do. So the first is to identify your current trend. It's a bullish trend. Then you identify by setting your trend line such that you identify the limits, upper limit and lower limit. So with this one, you will see that our bottom trend line is making a touch of 4 or 5, and then the top makes I think 3 touches. So this will highly validate our trade, as we know that liquidation. It didn't even waste time. It went and broke the trend again, just like the first trade. So if you checked on the first trade, you'd see that the same thing happened on the second trade. So I opened this trade a little bit late. I don't know why I keep doing that. That is the problem of trading small time frames. You always forget and then it reverses. But nevertheless, I had forgotten where I placed my other entries. My other entry from $30 to $60. I kind of lost that footage, but anyways, we'll start here. We'll continue from here from $60. If I find it, I'm sure that I will add it on the next video so that I can show you. So from $60 we are in $300. It was easy peasy. And sometimes I'll even blow and then I'll go back to the bot and raise the amount back to where it was and then come back again here, because sometimes this thing is just as stressful. Anyways, this account is on giveaway as well. It's an account on giveaway. I'm picking out another silently. One day I will show you how I do that method, but for time's sake I would want to save more time by preparing and creating more videos for you. So here I've identified that it was a bearish trend. So within the bearish trend, I would set up my trend line as smooth as possible as it can get, obviously not tarnishing the chart by drawing multiple things that are unnecessary. If I were you, I would avoid that. So from here we are in a drift switch index 10. Drift switch index is a little bit volatile, more than drift switch index 100. So here I placed a little bit more positions such that the next entry would go even full again on a big account. So that is what I'm anticipating here. If my account gets between 1,000 to 2,000, then I'll go to the fullest again ever created, such that I can just jump from there to 100,000 so that we can get it over with and move on to the next. So from 300 we just managed to make $100. So Should we close, or should we let the profits ride a bit in hopes that it will generate more or less? More or less. So today we are not taking no for an answer in the market. Today we are not chopping rice. We will not chop rice. We are not taking no for an answer. We're going form again, and we are gonna make it. So this one was not hard, but it tried to reverse a bit, but it was in the close range that the account would not blow. So that's a good thing. Leave a comment in the comment section. For you to create a high volatile account such as mine with high leverage, the link is in the comment section. It's pinned in the comment section. Join my Telegram group for free. They'll be in there so that you do not waste any more money. So here we are just waiting for it to go a little bit down such that we can close a big amount. Since we are greedy this year, we are going with the greedy. So from 400, it managed to double the profit from 120 something to 240 something. So this is good, and I think it's enough, and we can close the profit. Otherwise, if we do not close the profit, it will just take us down. So from $245, it now 560 in the total. So this is good. So this is good, guys. This is good. If I let this trade go, I'm definitely sure that it will go all the way down, measuring that length on the top there. I'm sure that it will go all that, almost in 600. It's reversing a bit, but it's reversing to go down, just like that. Now short, we have accumulated even more profit than we had on the second batch. So that is good. That is very good. That's good, guys. So do let me know in the comment section if you want me to pick your account such that I begin your account on the next trade. Creating videos, to keep creating videos, and to keep picking out people on the giveaway. So it's a win-win for you, it's a win-win for me. We are in 651 now. So this is good. From 300. We are now in 600. We managed to double. So I am back again on step index 400. Like I've said, I like it because of volatility. We've also identified, without even doing anything, that it was a bearish trend. So since the bearish trend, we now have drawn our trend line to become a bearish flag. So from this point, the overall movement is going down, but in the meantime, it's going up a bit, such that it comes back down, if you get the sense. So if you check, this one went straight up. It didn't even flinch or turn in the top trend line. It went and broke and went ahead. It always happens sometimes, but good thing that it did not happen on the opposite side. If it had happened then guys, we would not survive. We would have blown the account, and it would have been very, very chaotic. So here, if you check, I only made about $65 lot multiplied by the lot that the lot sizes I held, about 2 multiplied by $50 lots multiplied by 10 cents lot, if I'm correct. So this would not amount to 600, meaning that our account, it's just 1.5 multiplied by 1, so 2.5. So the loss was minimum. That means that when the market reversed, it could not blow the account because it did not reverse that much. But imagine if I had full gained on that, it would have blown me. But don't worry, I've got a surprise at the end. I full gained this account. I full gained it to the moon. So here we're in 600, but there's a trade that I entered in the step index that I entered wrongly, and I panicked and I closed it immediately. So it costed me $150 something. So that is why the account is now at 511 from 651. I panic sold. So it reversed in a way that I did not expect. So but anyways, now it's like we didn't even lose that, so never mind. So now we're in 1.2, almost in 1.3. We're still going strong, guys. We're still going strong. If you're married to the market, you definitely know that the market can do some funny things, guys. So we've closed our trade. to close on 1.191. So for our next trade, it means that we also have high volatility. So from high volatility, it means that from high leverage using the high capital, it means that we can even earn more in a short space of time. So now we are in jump 50. Jump 50 is it's good. It's good. It's good. It's a good. So now what we do here is set up a trend. You like that? Yes, you like that. So from 1.1, guys, we have straight with a sell of $3. So this one is a little bit high. It's a little bit high, but it's not enough for form again. So we entered another one, but it's not enough again for form again. So we'll just leave it for them. You see, it reversed. I knew it reversed, but the good thing is that the amount of reversal it took is not enough to blow the account. So 453 per trade multiplied by 2, that's something like 1,000, but we have 1.1. So it means that we had almost $200 to leverage the account for it to stay active. And then it went down. If I opened the trade where it was there, I don't know what I've done. Maybe I would have panicked, closed the trade. So from jump 50, we've just managed to make about $300. We risked about $1,000 only to make $700. This is not fair, guys. This is not fair. I do not like it one bit. I'm just gonna close my trades because just gonna close them. So now we are in 1.8. What are we going to do? Because this market is just too much for us, guys. It's just too much. You know that you won't spend much time here and continue to survive. One day is one day. So this one is very nice. This one's a very nice trade, guys. If you check the top trend, it is more than 4 points touching on the top of the candles. Now we are joining on the bottom, revealing a very nice trend pattern. So it has managed to managed to break the trend, and now it's back within the trend. So what we're going to do is either we wait for it to go to the top, so we enter, or we just enter there, because since it's trying to break the trend, it's gaining power to go very big. But the problem is that it might reverse, so entering form again on this trade is not recommended. It's not recommended because it might try to make something that's not good. So from this point onwards, it is very clear. It's very clear. So I've set my buy. I set my buy in it, and after one eternity later, if you see, it actually went up, then went down, then went up, then down, then up again, and now it's closed even down. I opened the chart late. I hate doing that. Next time I'll be more insightful, and I would stay alert. Imagine I would have had 1.5 on each lot, but no, I wasn't available at the time, and the amount of loss, the maximum we had was 927. So it's not enough for us to blow the amount. Since we're in 2000. So we just closed the little profit that we have for now. So now we're in 2.1. I think that it's safe to say we can go to the fullest gain ever created. It's safe to say that we need to go to higher loads now. So without wasting time, I have chosen volatility 51 seconds because I believe it's most volatile, very volatile. And I know that this one will take us up, but it's a game of cat and mouse. And I've identified fully my trend here. And if you see, it's going down. So my first position is in, and yeah, let's go, guys. We are going.